Do you wake up tired even after 8 hours of sleep? Do you feel stressed all the time? Is your belly fat not going away no matter what you try? If you said yes to any of these, your cortisol might be the problem. Cortisol is your body's main stress hormone. When it's too high, it destroys your sleep, kills your energy, and stores fat right around your belly. Today, I'm going to show you the 7 signs that your cortisol is too high and exactly how to lower it fast. Let's get into it. Before we get into the signs, let me quickly explain what cortisol is. Cortisol is a hormone made by your adrenal glands. It's your body's built-in alarm system. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. It gives you energy, sharpens your focus, and prepares you to handle the situation. This is good, in short bursts. The problem starts when cortisol stays high all the time. Chronic stress, constant anxiety, no breaks. When that happens, your body stays in survival mode, and that's when everything starts going wrong. This is the most common sign. You wake up exhausted, even after 7-8 hours of sleep. You drag yourself through the day. Then at night, you can't fall asleep. Your mind is racing. This happens because cortisol and melatonin, your sleep hormone, work together. When cortisol is high at night, melatonin drops. You feel tired but wired. The fix? Create a nighttime routine. No screens 1 hour before bed. Dim the lights. Read a book. Your body needs to learn that nighttime is rest time. Do you find yourself reaching for chips, cookies, or soda when you're stressed? That's not weakness, that's biology. High cortisol increases your appetite for high-calorie foods. Your body thinks it's in danger, so it wants quick energy. Sugar and salt give you that quick hit, but it's a trap because processed foods spike cortisol even more. The fix? When you crave sugar, eat fruit instead. When you crave salt, eat nuts or olives. And drink water. Sometimes thirst feels like hunger. You eat healthy, you exercise, but that belly fat, it's stuck. Here's why. High cortisol tells your body to store fat, specifically visceral fat, the dangerous fat around your organs. Your body thinks, we're in danger, we need to save energy. So it holds on to fat, especially around your belly. The fix? You can't spot-reduce belly fat, but lowering cortisol will help. Focus on stress management, sleep, and whole foods. The belly fat will start to go away on its own. Do you snap at people for no reason? Do small things make you angry or anxious? High cortisol affects your brain chemistry. It reduces serotonin, the feel-good chemical. You become more reactive, more anxious, more irritable. The fix? Take breaks during the day. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing helps. Walk outside. Listen to calm music. And don't skip meals. Low blood sugar makes mood swings worse. Do you find yourself skipping workouts? Are you feeling weaker? High cortisol breaks down muscle tissue for energy. It's called catabolism, the opposite of building muscle. Over time, you lose strength, your metabolism slows down, and you feel tired all the time. The fix? Don't overdo cardio. Intense cardio actually spikes cortisol. Focus on strength training and walking, and eat enough protein. It protects your muscles. Do you walk into a room and forget why? Do you struggle to focus or remember simple things? High cortisol damages the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning. Chronic stress literally shrinks your brain over time. The fix? Sleep is the #1 brain repair tool. Also, try meditation. Even 5 minutes a day improves focus. And eat omega-3s, salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. They protect your brain. Do you catch every cold that goes around? Do your wounds heal slowly? Cortisol suppresses your immune system. When it's high for too long, your body can't fight off infections. You get sick more often, and it takes longer to recover. The fix? Sleep more, eat more vegetables, reduce alcohol and caffeine, and practice stress management. Your immune system will thank you. Let me quickly recap the 7 signs. Sign: what you feel. Number 1, tired but can't sleep. Number 2, crave junk food. Number 3, stubborn belly fat. Number 4, irritable, moody. Number 5, weak, losing muscle. Number 6, brain fog, poor memory. And number 7, get sick often. If you have 3 or more of these, your cortisol is likely high. Now let's talk about how to fix it. Tip number 1, morning sunlight. Get 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight within 30 minutes of waking up. It sets your circadian rhythm and lowers cortisol. Tip number 2, walk after meals. A 10-minute walk after eating lowers blood sugar and cortisol. Plus, it helps with belly fat. Tip number 3, cut caffeine after 12 p.m. Caffeine spikes cortisol. Drink it only in the morning. Tip number 4, deep breathing. Box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Do this for 2 minutes. Cortisol drops instantly. Tip number 5, prioritize sleep. Go to bed at the same time every night. Get 7 to 8 hours. No phones in bed. Now I want to hear from you. How many of these 7 signs do you have? What's your biggest struggle with stress? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. High cortisol is destroying your energy, your sleep, and your belly fat. But the good news is you can fix it. Start with one thing: morning sunlight, walking after meals, or deep breathing. Small changes add up. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay calm, and I'll see you in the next one.